Friends, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce space between lines in Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, I have a Microsoft Word document here, guys. And this first paragraph have some space in between it, and the second one have basically a different spacing. So there are different spacing between those different lines. Now what if I want to reduce the spacing and I want to do it for all the document? I'm going to simply select the entire document by simply pressing Ctrl A, and it's going to select all the text on this document, right? And there are two pages. Now all I have to do now is basically ensure that I click on the home tab from the ribbon here, then find the paragraph section, and within the paragraph section is the line spacing. So as you hover over them, you see the specific ones, a line and paragraph spacing. Click the drop down, and here you have the numbers that you can select. So if I wanted to put it to the one, I can simply select 1 here, 1.0, and as you can see, it now changes the entire document with a line spacing between those lines of 1.0. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.